Hi, welcome back to Leetcode. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the first problem from today's weekly contest 467. So the first problem name is earliest time to finish one task. So you are given a 2D integer array task where task I equals to Si and Ti. So each Si and Ti means a task with start time Si that takes Ti units of time to finish. Okay, we have to return the earliest time at which at least one task is finished. So for this example, 1623. So one task is at start at 1, it will take 6 unit of time, and another is suppose 2 3, so that means it will start at 1 and ending time will be what, the start time plus what are the time actually it will take, so t suppose. So it will start at 1 and it will take 6 unit of time, so 1 plus 6, so 7, it will end at the 7 unit of time, right? Similarly here the starting time is 2 and ending time will be what, s plus t, so starting time is 2 and t is here to 3, so 5. So first task will complete at the time 7, second task it will actually complete at the time 5. So uh, we have to return the minimum time. So what is the minimum time it will take to complete at least one task? So you can see that this task will complete at the time 5 and it will actually time complete at 7. So at the time I can actually say that at the time t is equal to 5, one task will complete. So right, so this is the minimum. So for this example our answer will be 5. So this is actually simple, right? So you can see another example also, something like starting time suppose 1 and it will take 10 suppose. Another is suppose 3, it will take 5 unit of time to complete. Another is suppose it is actually 2, it will actually take 8. Okay, so there is a 3 task. Okay, so it will start at time 1 and it ending time will be what, the starting time plus the total time it will take. So start time is 1 and it will take 10 unit of times, so 1 plus 10, it is at now 11. Similarly for S, for the second task, the starting time it will be 3. What is the ending time? Ending time will be the starting time plus t. So starting time is 3 and t it will take 5. So it will end at the time 8. Clear? So more just, so 3 plus 5, it will actually complete at the time 8. So for this task 3, it will start at time 2 and what is the ending time? The start plus t, it is actually start time is 2 and time it will take this actually 8, so that means actually 10. So you have to just compare what is the minimum time it will take to complete at least one task. Okay, so something first it will take 11, second task will take like it will complete at the time 8, and the third task it will actually complete at the 10, right? So out of all of these tasks, what is actually the minimum ending time? So minimum ending time is 8. Got it? So our answer will be 8. Clear? So what is the step to solve this problem? So first of all, our answer will be the minimum. We have written the minimum ending time, right? So suppose I am starting with positive infinity. Okay, suppose int max, and I will iterate all the tasks. So for each task, I know what is the ending time. So I know the start time, and I know the time it will take. So I have to compare this end with the answer. So ultimately I will store the answer, minimum answer. So minimum answer and the current ending time. So I have to compare that. Out of all, I will check for all tasks. So for each task, I will check that what is the, for current task, what is the ending time and what is the minimum answer or minimum ending time actually I have seen till now. So whatever the minimum value, I will store this again to the answer variable. So ultimately after checking all the tasks, I will return the answer variable. Clear? So now go to the code. So our answer I am initialized with int max, means the positive integer, positive infinity, and now I will iterate all the tasks from the input array. So I'll get two things. I know what is the start time and what is the time it will take. So what is the ending time? That will be the start plus the time it will take. So that will be I0 plus I1. I0 is the start time S and T is the I1 is the indicate the T means time it will take to complete. So whatever total time, so that will I0 plus I1, it indicates the ending time of the current task. So out of all of this, I have to compare with the current answer, that if this is the minimum ending time or not, because ultimately we have to return the minimum ending time, right? So earliest time at which at least one task will be complete. So after checking all the tasks, I return whatever the actually answer actually I have. Got it? I hope this is clear. This is simple. So if you have any doubt, any suggestion, you can comment on that, and I have shared this code in the description. You can check that also for your reference. Thank you. Bye.